Well, good morning or good evening, depends on the time you're watching this video. Oops, don't go there. This is the 3.1 turbo. I haven't even done anything after I tore it down yet. I still got to finish taking it apart, pull off this timing cover, and pull this cam out because it has a lot of play, and see what's going on inside there. But today is about this car. This headache of a Grand Prix, which I am so tired of now. It has something missing here. I don't know if you can tell yet. Just keep looking around. And it's that. So, I haven't done any videos on this leak. I've been so frustrated with it. I've been kind of working on it, not even talking about it. But I had to make a new harness for the ignition coils, cam sensor, and crank sensor, because every time I go to drive the car, it breaks up the top end. And I thought the coil packs, change those out, wasn't that. Change the module, wasn't that. Change spark plug wires, wasn't that. Change spark plug, same thing. Keeps on going. I'm going to change it sensor by sensor. This car has a number of problems since I've gotten it. I don't remember when I bought this car, it had a blown engine. 3 pistons had holes in them. And then when I put the motor in, ran and all stuff, but the day it ran, it had a misfire. So I thought I had a bad coil pad that came in the engine. Well, that wasn't it. It's had electrical problems since day one. It's had loose wires over the car, cut wires everywhere. I've been trying to fix them little by little. The AC inside the car didn't work. I had to fix that. The compressor kicks on. It's just the air box, so I don't know why unplugged everywhere. It was missing the information center when I got this thing. It's just a nightmare of problems, one after another. So I've been kind of fixing things as I go. However, today is the radiator, because after I fixed the ignition wiring, the car ran great for the first run. I want to do another run because usually it's a second run or third run it starts acting up again. I couldn't do it because when I popped the hood, there's antifreeze everywhere. The radiator, where the hell is that thing? Right here, it cracked. Right here, you can't see it because it's dry now, but right there you can see where it cracked at. Focus there real quick. There you go. And yeah, so it cracked, and I had spares. However, this one here is from a 97 to 03, so this doesn't work. It has a different mounting system. This one is out of an 05, same year as that car, except this is a GT radiator. So these fittings are actually smaller than the ones that go on that car, which are right here. Let me compare them real quick. So the trans fittings on this are actually wider than these. You can see the difference there. So what I did was go to AutoZone and had to order a new radiator, which I have right here. And I will be putting this in today. So I guess I'll do a video on this too. So you gotta take the fans off of. Actually, I already took them off. So the fans are over here somewhere. It's these fans are out of that car, which I already cleaned them up and everything. They weren't just clean and pull them out, obviously. But now they are. Look brand new. So these fans, I'm gonna bolt them onto the new radiator. Pop it into here. Get the AC condenser mounted to it. Fill it up. Turn it on. Bleed it. And test the ignition system again. So that's me today's video. So I guess let's get started. We got the new GTP radiator, the new fittings for it, and a quick release tool. It's going to come in handy. This part's pretty simple. You have fans go like so. There's a little clip on each side that they're going to lock into. So, make sure I get this lined up just right though. Yeah, that's lined up. Now, we gotta lift up the condenser to lock it into place. This is the fun part here. Okay, that side's in. Tell if there's something. No, that one's on it either. There you go. Both in place now. Before I continue, we'll hook up all the trans line because I pre-greased. So you slide right in. Just make sure everything lines up first before I snap them all the way in there. Alright. Now, we get to throw in all this fun stuff. That one, and there's that retainer clip. I bought a new OEM radiator cap, never used. Bought this a few months ago when I was going to do the new build, so there's that. Okay, then we want to cock the glitter loose on here. 9:30 seconds. Now I'm breaking this loose. You want to go real easy. Maybe I'll find a zoom in a little better. So when you're breaking the glitter valve loose, this is right there, this thing right there. Maybe you can focus on that. There you go. You want to make sure you're easy. Don't torque this because it'll snap off on you. Just open up just enough to his finger loose, and you're gonna see fluid run out here when we fill this radiator up. It's already got water in the system. I already flushed the system out. So I'm gonna do is throw in some straight antifreeze for now, and then mix it with water. Funnel I'm going to use to pour it in there. Try not to make a big mess. So I have not pulled the engine back forward yet because I want to keep it elevated a little bit so it's tilted. Now the air bubbles rush this way and out that bleeder. What I do is I keep adding water to this antifreeze mix, dilute it more and more. I guess I already have water in the system, so I don't need to do a 50-50 mix because it won't be 50-50 if I do that. So what I'm doing is just adding water to the current antifreeze to dilute it, and then therefore I'll go ahead and get my mixture. Okay, it's getting there. Now you hear everything filling up back there. Alright, so we got the new radiator installed. Coolant fans are plugged in, the motor mounts are on. Now I'm just doing just let it idle, come to temp, have the fans come on, make sure there's no leaks, and then take it for a test drive. Temps are good so far. Got the AC on, so fans are running. I'm turning the AC back off. Just watch my voltage a little bit. Everything looks good so far. No warning lights. No leaks, which is a good thing. Fans are off, and there you have it. Well, wasn't really going to do this video, so sorry for not showing the deinstallation of the old radiator, but hey man, it goes in the same way it came out, and it comes out the same way it went in. So anyway, if you got any questions, look at the link below this video. I have a description with part numbers and instructions on how to remove and install the new radiator and how to do your coolant and all that good stuff. So if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up, comment below, or check out the link below this video. And thank you for watching.